Fubara wanted a 2 weeks vacation after his suspension. He came back to Nigeria barely three days ago. Fubara has not been to Abuja to kneel down or prostrate or beg with Nyesom Wike. What I know as a party chairman in this state is that there is going to be negotiation between the Nyesom Wike group and the Fubara group. And that negotiation has not taken place. If such negotiation takes place, I think I'll be a party to it. If I'm not a party to it, I will be on the no. But what is important is that emergency is already here. Fubara has been suspended. What is the way forward? The way forward is that the two parties must come together. And the two parties is not just Fubara on one part or Nyesom Wike on one part. It's a group team. Politics is a group. It's a game of number. Fubara is not standing alone. The FCT minister is not standing alone. The two parties must meet and sort out the difference. What has brought us to this level, to this stage we are in the state. Not just one man going to prostrate for one man. That is not correct. As far as I'm concerned, defection to the APC is not yet on the table. And even if Fubara is going to defect, he must hold wide consultation with the leadership, first and foremost, of the party, which flag is holding. Second, he must consult widely with elders and leaders of Rivers State, because today is the governor of the state. He can't just defect alone. He must defect with his team. So if that is on the table, Fubara will consult. Again, I will contend that that is not still on the table. But if that will happen, there must be wide consultation. It's not something he will sneak into the All Progressive Congress. No. He must hold wide consultation with all stakeholders, the parties, and those that is governing, helping him to govern the state with him. There must be that wide consultation before any defection happens.